Now from the Bahamas, that's getting hit right now by Nicole at this hour. You're looking at Marsh Harbor. We can definitely see the winds starting to pick up in that area. And we start our team coverage with our Weather Authority team.
Meteorologists Brandon Orr and Luke Doris are both here with us right now. So get things started, guys. Where do we stand?
Yeah, I want to show you the 11 a.m. advisory, which is the latest advisory we have from the Hurricane Center. Max winds are at 70 miles per hour. Any slight bump in strength, and this will become Hurricane Nicole. But as of right now, it is still a tropical storm. But notice the latest cone does have this briefly reaching hurricane status at some point later on this afternoon, somewhere in the vicinity of the Bahamas. So it is within moments of making its first landfall, which is going to be very close to where we showed you that live camera. It's going to be interesting to see how that changes over the next hour or so in the vicinity of Marsh Harbor, then continuing to the west, right on top of Grand Bahama, in the vicinity of Freeport, and then likely making landfall north of us here in South Florida, likely even north of West Palm Beach. Let me show you the center of the cone. This gives us a rough idea of where the center will track. It's important to keep in mind these things don't move in a straight line. They kind of wobble around, which is going to be important to see where it makes these wobbles, because any farther south that this wobbles will bring some of those stronger wind gusts down the coastline. Landfall is likely going to be near midnight. We're kind of timing out between Jupiter and Fort Pierce for a landfall area, so that's going to be right in the vicinity of Martin County. And the worst of the impacts, those real hurricane force wind gusts, will likely be around and north of where it makes landfall. That's where we have that hurricane warning in place. We have a tropical storm warning in place for Broward County, and then it's still a tropical storm watch in place for parts of Miami-Dade. Let's bring in certified meteorologist Luke Doris. Luke, I find it interesting we still have this hurricane watch that has been in effect for parts of Broward County, but yet our forecasts for wind gusts are not reaching hurricane force down here. So it's a little bit difficult to explain.
It can be, right? It can be a little confusing. Like, what? The hurricane winds are looking to be up by landfall point. Why do we have it in Broward? Well, the cone, the bottom of the cone's right about there. If we were to draw it, it's right about Lake Worth or so, between Boca and West Palm. The idea is if two things were to happen. One, if we had the hurricane form with a closed eye wall, or an eye wall that could pivot around to the south side, and the storm tracked here, it's possible that you could brush northern Broward County with brief hurricane force winds. That is not forecast, is just not completely impossible, not out of the question. That's why we have the hurricane watch. Similar story down here for Miami-Dade with the tropical storm watch. I'd say odds are higher that we get tropical storm winds in Miami-Dade County, but that is a watch. It means it's not necessarily forecast that tropical storm winds are possible. Also, I just got this from the Hurricane Center update. We did have a landfall in Great Abaco. So Abaco Island took the first landfall from Nicole, 70-mile-per-hour tropical storm. Big, expansive tropical storm wind field. That's what the hallmark for this storm will be. It's 400 some miles wide, and we're already getting a taste of that in parts of Broward County as we are under that envelope now. All right, so watch. I'll show you the timing here. We're going to go through the day, watch the storm advance, forecast to be a hurricane by about 7 o'clock or so as it makes its final approach toward the east coast of Florida. Notice at this point that tropical storm force wind field is over all of Broward and nosing onto the northern side of Miami-Dade. Now we're going to go into about midnight. This is 1 o'clock in the morning. That's landfall time. Notice the storm is lopsided to the north. This is where the strongest impacts will be, and a small little fist of hurricane winds are possible at landfall. That's going to be somewhere near Hobe Sound, Jupiter, Fort Pierce, in that range. On the south side, that will be the closest approach that the storm makes to South Florida. That's when our winds would likely peak, and that would be gusts 50, maybe 60 miles per hour in the rain bands. And notice that tropical storm force wind field lifts out soon. By about sunrise tomorrow, we're outside the envelope. By 9 o'clock, it's way up here to the north. You can see where the center of the storm would be between Tampa and Orlando at that point. So hopefully that helps you with timing. We already have some of these outer bands affecting and scraping through South Florida. Within these bands, that's when you're going to get your gusty winds, and these will become more and more frequent as we go throughout the day. Gusts right now, not too terribly impressive, 25, 35. I've seen some near 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts, but when those bands come through, they grab the air that's really whipping upstairs, just off ground level, and they force that down to the ground. That's where you get your wind gusts. One more thing, I've had several questions on Twitter and on Facebook about, hey, this is coming, across the Gulf Stream. Could it ramp up and we have a strong hurricane out of this? The answer is no. All right, so we have dry air down here, and that leveled off the storm's intensity. It's why it has not become a hurricane yet. It takes sips off of that dry air that limits its strength. This right here is the line between Category 1 hurricane and tropical storm. Notice the models are almost all, it doesn't matter. A strong tropical storm, low-end hurricane impacts are baked in. They're going to be about the same. But I just wanted to address that because I've had that question several times. So that's the update as far as the winds and the timing go. Christy?
Okay, sounds good.